If you have used brightening bar soaps that promises to brighten up your skin, but at the end of the day, you see little to no results, in this very video, I'm going to be showing you 3 powerful brightening bar soaps that will not just give you the results that you're looking for, they will help to brighten up your skin and also save you money. If you are the kind of person you have been searching through the internet to see 3 affordable and most effective brightening bar soaps that you can use on your face and on your body to brighten up your skin this year 2026, then this video is for you. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. And for my OGs and my returning subscribers, welcome to a new video. If you are yet to subscribe, please do not forget to subscribe so that today will not be the last day you will see this very face on your screen. So in this video, I want to show you 3 powerful brightening bar soaps that you can use on your face and on your body. And let me tell you, I have tested and I've tried out these bar soaps. And for me to come out here to share it, it means that it is very, very good, okay? I cannot tell you what I have not used or something that I am not too sure of, okay? So the very first bar soap that you're going to be needing if you want to brighten up your skin this year 2026 and you want to do it in the most affordable way as possible would be the particular soap from Extract. Okay, you guys saw when I shared the particular bar soap as one of the products that I have incorporated into my routine for 2026. The particular bar soap is very effective when it comes to skin brightening. Okay, it contains papaya calamansi, which is an extract that comes from vitamin C. Okay, it's an antioxidant that helps to brighten up your skin and just give you a flawless looking skin. One thing I like about this bar soap is that it goes way beyond washing your skin and keeping your skin clean, and it also helps to brighten up your skin the most trusted way possible. Or if you are someone that you already have a brighter skin and you're looking for something that would not do too much, again like me, you don't want to do too much, you just want to maintain the glow that you have achieved, this is the bar soap that I will highly recommend for you. Number one, it is affordable and it is very, very effective when it comes to daily brightening. Okay, the second bar soap that would help to brighten up your skin this year 2026 will have to be this one from Arbutin, and this is the Alpha 3 Arbutin collagen soap. You guys were aware, the OGs were aware, when I used the particular soap back to back after my NYC orientation camp, I got back, my skin was darker than the way my skin used to be. Okay, and I started using this particular bar soap, and let me tell you, it brightened up my skin. It has this very star of the show, which is Alpha Arbutin and collagen. These 2 ingredients, okay, work side by side when it comes to skin brightening and skin firming. Okay, the Alpha 3 Arbutin or the Alpha Arbutin is known to brighten up dark spots, hyperpigmentation, dull skin, and make your skin to be revived, while the collagen would help to firm your skin so that your skin will not be saggy, your skin will not be loose. Okay, if you're struggling with a loose skin or a saggy skin, or your skin barrier is broken in general, then the particular bar soap is something that you should incorporate into your routine because it will help to firm your skin and also help to revive your skin barrier. Okay, it will give you that youthful glow that you are looking for. Okay, because the Alpha Arbutin will go deep into your skin pores and brighten up your skin. This is something that I've used. Okay, so I'm very, very certain that it will work out for you. So the third bar soap that will actually help to brighten up your skin come this year 2026 would have to be no other bar soap than the OG. Okay, this is the this is one of my favorites. Okay, and this is the Ashanti papaya honey soap that contains Q10, AHA and BHA. AHA, which is the alpha hydroxy acid, and BHA, which is the beta hydroxy acid. One thing I like about this bar soap is that it contains papaya extract, which would help to brighten up your skin because it is an antioxidant. Okay, it also contains honey, which is an humectant that would help to moisturize your skin. So trust me, your skin is not going to be dry when you use this soap, especially if you don't have a dry skin already. Okay, the Q10, okay, which falls under the AHA and the BHA. The AHA would help to exfoliate your skin. If you're looking for something that would exfoliate your skin and also brighten up your skin, then the particular bar soap is the one you should lay your hand on. While the BHA will go deep into your pores and remove excessive oil, okay, the excessive oil production on your skin, it will curb it. It would also cleanse every impurity in your skin. Okay, so the particular bar soap is for those who want quicker and faster brightening because of the powerful ingredients that it contains. So in general, if you want something that would just give you that daily brightening, something that would help you to maintain your already achieved skin color, or something that would just help you to brighten, but you want to take it gradually, I would recommend that you go for the extract. Okay, because it is mild, it is gentle, and yet it brightens up the skin so well. But if you want something that would go deep and clear your dark spots, go deep and get rid of hyperpigmentation, discoloration, uneven skin tone, just give you a better nourished skin, okay, that would glow better, okay. I would recommend that you go for this Alpha 3 Arbutin bar soap because it would help to get rid of the dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, discoloration, and just give you a clear looking skin. Then if you want something that is very powerful, something that, you know, would also exfoliate your skin and also give you a brighter looking skin as well, I would recommend that you go for this one from the Ashanti. One thing I like about these 3 bar soaps that I just talked about in this video is that you can use it on your body and also on your face, okay, especially if you don't have a sensitive skin. If you have a very sensitive skin, please do not use them on your face. But if you don't have a sensitive skin, I will highly recommend that you use it on your face and on your body so that your body will blend in perfectly with your face, okay. So one of the advice I'm going to give to you in this video is not just about you purchasing this product, okay, from any vendor that you choose to. It is for you to be consistent, for you to be patient, okay. You're going to give it time for it to work, and you're going to be consistent with the routine. And I also recommend that all these bar soaps, you use them only at night. Do not use them during the day. And I also recommend that you cleanse your skin before going in with these bar soaps so that you can see faster results in a short period of time, okay. So if you use them at night, it will be perfect for you because it contains quite a number of ingredients that are not suitable with the sun. But if you use it at night, there is no sun and your skin will not do what? React, okay. Also advise that you moisturize your skin properly daily. Moisturize your skin daily using a very good moisturizer or a good body lotion, and also, you know, lock in moisture extra using a very good body oil. I would recommend a brightening body oil in this scenario so that it would help these bar soaps to work better. If you have watched particular point of the video and based on what I've analyzed in this video, I would love for you to drop a comment in the comment section telling me any of these bar soaps that you're going to get because you feel like that is the one that your skin really needs, okay. So I would love you to also subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video. Like this video, share the video to your loved ones and even your your haters. And until next time, my loves, stay glowy and bye.